Good day, students, and welcome back to another lecture of English 2. Students, today in this class of English 2, we are going to learn to write an essay. Yes, our essay is based on festivals of India. Can you see so many images are there, so many festivals are there? There is Janmashtami, there is Raksha Bandhan, Festival of Light, that is Deepavali, Navratra, Eid is there, and many other festivals that we celebrate in India. Our festivals that we celebrate in India are all colorful. It makes us forget all the differences that we have in our religion and custom. It makes people come closer for one purpose. It is colorful, it gives happiness. There are different types of festivals all over the India, which is divided into 3 types. That is national festivals, religious festivals, and seasonal festivals. Students, this is the page of your textbook, page number 115 of your English 2 textbook. We are writing essay number 9, Festivals of India. Can you see there are so many images of different festivals? There is festival, that is Sankrat, where you flew kites. Then Deepavali, Holi, Ganesh Utsav, Janmashtami, Christmas is there, and many other festivals. So you have to write an essay on any of the festival that you like, and you also have to write that what you learn from these festivals. And these are the questions and suggestions that is there on the same page, that with the help of that we have to write an essay. Write an essay in about 12 to 15 lines with the help of your teacher and the questions and suggestions given below. Now, what are the questions, students? India is a country of festival. Second one, festivals are celebrated by people belonging to different communities. How do festivals affect our life? What is the main purpose of celebrating festivals? So students, these are the questions and suggestion that is given to us. With the help of these points, we have to write an essay. Now, I will only give you an idea or few points that you have to write an essay. But this essay, as you all are aware and you know about the festivals, you have to write an essay choosing one festival and how it affects us, what is the main purpose of celebrating the festival, and all those details. As India is a very cultural and diverse country, so are the festivals. They are divided into 3 general categories of national, religious, and seasonal. The national festivals are included Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti, and many more. The religious festivals are one of the most famous festivals not only throughout India but over the world. Some of the most prominent religious festivals are Diwali, Eid ul-Fitr, Christmas, Guru Nanak Jayanti, Holi, and many more. Diwali, Holi, and Ganesh Utsav are the most prominent festivals. Yes, these festivals are celebrated all over the world and everywhere in a huge crowd of people come together to celebrate these festivals. Seasonal festivals are Bihu is a festival of Assam. Likewise, Tamil Nadu celebrates Pongal. In addition, there is a Basant Panchami. Students, these are the seasonal festivals. You don't have to confuse yourself. You only can choose one festival and you can write those purposes. What is this festival? What are its main things that you celebrate? Why it is celebrated? And how does it affect our life? And what is the main purpose of celebrating these festivals, and why do we follow all these cultures and tradition? Festivals are very important. They make us forget our cultural and religious differences. They unite people and they come together for the sole purpose of celebration and happiness. Other than that, festival also help us to embrace our culture and religion. Yes, festival also help us to embrace our culture and religion. We come together to celebrate one purpose and happiness. Students, I hope that you have understood that you have to write an essay on your own, in your own words, on page number 116 of your textbook, that is Festival of India, essay number 9. You have to keep all these points that is discussed in this video, and you have to write your essay with the help of questions and suggestions given in your textbook. I hope you have understood the video, and you will also like and share the video. Kindly subscribe the channel, students, for the further notification. Thank you.